Whether you are upset with Starbucks or you are just on a budget and want to save some cash, today I'm going to show you how you can create your own Starbucks drink with ingredients inside of your home. Today's drink is Medicine Ball Tea. You will need to purchase Tivana's Jade Citrus Mint and also the Peach Tranquility. I found these at Walmart and also the grocery store has them. Today I'm going to make 30 ounces of tea. So I put in my 2 tea bags. And I am going to add 20 ounces of hot water. Don't have to make 30 ounces, however your tea will be strong. I like to make the 30 ounces and then put the rest in the refrigerator for later. You will need to put 2 peppermints inside of it instead of that peppermint syrup that they squish inside of your cup. We're just going to add 2 peppermint candies. If you have peppermint extract, you can use that instead. You see that I left some room inside of the cup. So now I'm going to make the lemonade. The Medicine Ball tea has lemonade inside. It's a mixture of lemonade and tea. So I'm going to take my fresh lemon. Looks odd because it came from Imperfect Foods. And I'm just going to soften up a little bit. If you have lemonade already made, you can just use that instead. However, since I don't have lemonade currently made or sitting around in a house, I will take these seeds out and I will make myself a cup of lemonade. I like to put 2 slices of the lemon that I squeezed inside of my lemonade, just for extra flavor. Also, I'm adding honey to sweeten my tea. And there's my cup of lemonade, which I'm going to take over to the microwave and I am going to heat it up just so this sugar can dissolve. And then I will mix both of them together after the sugar is dissolved. Okay, I will mix up the tea because I put honey in it, so I can incorporate the honey with the tea. My lemonade is done, so I'm going to stir it just to make sure all the sugar is dissolved, and now I will combine them. Just sweeten it to however you prefer. I don't like mine too sweet. I know it looked like a lot of sugar, but it is 30 ounces of tea. That's a Medicine Ball tea. That is good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are inspired to make your own Medicine Ball tea. I hope you all have an awesome day. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't forget to drop a comment and like this video so I can make more. You know, if you like these type of videos, just a very quick video, you know. Short, quick, to the point. That's all you need to know, right? I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe for more. Bye.